Hello everyone, and welcome back to another video of HTML. In this video I'm going to be going over videos in HTML. So in the previous videos we went through an introduction, and then we went through hyperlinks, and then images, and then audio, and in this video we're going to be going over videos. So videos in HTML are the way you put them into your web page is very similar to images and audio. So if you don't understand something, you might want to go back to my previous one or two videos and see how I put the audio or the images. It's pretty easy, but without further ado, let's get started. So to start off, of course, you open the video tag, and of course the video tag is self-closing, so you don't need the closing tag always, but if you're gonna have it in another file and you're gonna add more features and other video file types, then you might want to open and close and put all that stuff in the middle, but that's for another video. Now let's just focus on the basics. So you open it, and then of course HTML continues everything for you. Here's the syntax, and in source you type your video. So here I have a meow sound effect video, so you put meow sound effect.mp4 and then save, and it's there. To add more features to it, like the boolean attributes we talked about before, you're gonna want to move this down. Let's go source, and then put that down, and you close that. And in the first opening tag you put the attributes. So first of all, you have controls to be able to turn it on and off. Let's save that. Save. And as you can see, you have the controls, download, playback speed, all that stuff. You can turn it on and off from here. And then you can add muted. So as we said before in the audio, muted is basically when you load up the web page, it starts off muted. So you save it. As you can see, it's muted. It's not. If you delete this, it's by default not muted. But if you put that, then by default it stays muted until you unmute it yourself through the controls. And then you can also do one more thing, which is loop. So save. Let's start it, and it keeps looping and looping and looping until you stop it. You also have autoplay. So as you can see, as soon as you I loaded up the page, it played automatically, and I had muted turned off, so let me turn that back on, and it kept looping through it. And then that's basically it for videos in HTML. If you enjoyed or learned something new, please like and subscribe for further content, and thank you again.